Crete Carrier, my honest review and user experience of their trucking services. If you're considering a career in trucking or shipping freight across the US, Crete Carrier is a name you've probably heard. I spent some time understanding their services and working with them, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong, thinking all trucking companies are the same. The surprising truth is Crete Carrier stands out for its scale and driver support, operating one of the largest fleets in North America with over 2,700 trucks. Starting as a driver or shipping client was straightforward. Their application process is thorough but clear, focusing on safety, experience, and compliance. Once onboarded, drivers receive training programs that cover everything from safety regulations to route planning. One of the highlights is their commitment to driver support. Crete Carrier offers competitive pay, benefits, and consistent home time schedules for regional drivers. I also notice a strong emphasis on safety, with advanced tracking systems and regular equipment checks. For shipping services, Crete Carrier provides reliable freight solutions. I tested a regional shipment, and it arrived on time and in perfect condition. Their tracking system keeps you updated every step of the way, which is crucial for business planning. The only downside is that long-haul schedules can be demanding and equipment assignments may vary. However, drivers report high satisfaction compared to industry averages, mainly due to support and stability. In conclusion, Crete Carrier is a solid choice for both drivers and shippers looking for reliable, large-scale trucking solutions. If safety, support, and efficiency matter to you, Crete Carrier is worth exploring.